In today's video, I'm going to reveal some powerful teas that can help you protect your heart and keep your blood pressure in check. These teas are not only delicious but have been scientifically proven to promote cardiovascular health and lower the risk of high blood pressure. I'll also share fascinating insights into the active compounds that are present in these teas that make them so effective in maintaining a healthy heart. Let's kick off our tea journey with a crowd favorite. Number 10. Ginger tea. We all know how important ginger is when it comes to soothing nausea and fighting off pesky colds, but it's also fantastic for managing blood pressure too. Here's the scoop on how to bring this herb into your daily routine. Boil a cup of water. While it's getting steamy, grab an inch of fresh ginger root and peel it. Once your water is bubbling away, take that peeled ginger and grate it into a strainer or an infuser. Pop it into your teapot and get ready for some serious infusion action. Pour that glorious boiling water over the ginger, allowing it to steep and work its magic. That way, you've just brewed yourself a comforting cup of ginger tea. Here's a fun fact to spice things up. A study revealed that participants who indulged in more than 3 grams of ginger every day for 8 weeks experienced a drop in both their systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So sip it, savor it, and feel the warmth spread throughout your body. Now let's move on to the next tea on our list. Number 9. Cinnamon tea. Studies have shown that sipping on cinnamon tea after dinner can help reduce blood pressure and keep metabolic diseases at bay. Rumor also has it that cinnamon tea has some serious belly fat busting powers, so sipping on this delightful concoction might just give you that extra boost in your quest for a trimmer waistline. However, it also comes with some health benefits. We're talking about flu-fighting properties, memory-boosting abilities, improved oral health, and even better digestion. So how do you brew the cinnamon tea? Start by grabbing a trusty cinnamon stick, which is made from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree. Pop that stick into a pot of boiling water and let it boil. Allow it to steep for a little while, and before you know it, your drink will be ready to conquer your taste buds in just a matter of minutes. Here's a fun twist. You can even let that cinnamon stick cozy up in hot water overnight for a good 6 to 8 hours. The longer it steeps, the more flavorful and aromatic your tea will become. Next up is a tea that not many people usually talk about, but this hidden gem is one of the best teas you can drink. Number 8. Onion tea. Onions have some serious benefits when it comes to heart health. They are loaded with a special flavonoid called quercetin, which is like a great help for your cardiovascular system. Quercetin, found abundantly in onions, works wonders in promoting the production of HDL, or good cholesterol, while simultaneously reducing the levels of bad cholesterol in your body. Onions also contain sulfur, which helps keep your blood from clotting. And those flavanols in onions help to lower high blood pressure. How do you brew this heart-healthy elixir? You'll need some chopped onions, a couple of crushed garlic cloves, a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness, 1 to 2 cups of water, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a bay leaf. Bring 1.5 cups of water to a rolling boil. Then toss in the chopped onions and crushed garlic cloves. And if you're feeling adventurous, add a bay leaf for an extra flavor boost. Let it simmer away until the water changes color and becomes infused with all the goodness from the onions. Once it's ready, strain the tea and pour it into a cup. For a little extra zing, add a drizzle of honey or a squeeze of lemon juice to enhance the taste even further. Sip this potion every morning on an empty stomach for optimal results. And if you're feeling up for it, enjoy another cup in the evening. Also, don't forget about the red onion skins. They're a treasure trove of vitamins A, C, and E. They're also packed with flavonoids and antioxidants, with potent quercetin. Plus, they have anti-inflammatory properties to boot. The next tea on our list is from an ancient herb with a golden color. Number 7. Turmeric tea. Hailing from Southeast Asia and known as the golden spice, turmeric has been cherished for centuries for its vibrant color and incredible health benefits. At the heart of turmeric lies curcumin, one of its most important bioactive compounds. And it is highly beneficial when it comes to cardiovascular health. Curcumin has been found to protect the heart against cardiovascular diseases and improve serum lipid levels, all without any harmful side effects. But how do you brew this golden elixir? Start by peeling and grating some fresh turmeric root. Add it to a pot of hot boiling water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Once it's infused with all that turmeric goodness, strain the mixture and get ready to enjoy. To take your turmeric tea experience to the next level, consider adding a dollop of honey, a squeeze of lemon juice, or a hint of ginger for some extra flavor and health benefits. Here's a pro tip to supercharge the absorption of curcumin. Add a pinch of black pepper. It may sound strange, but black pepper can enhance curcumin absorption by a whopping 2,000%. Number 6. St. John's Wort's Tea. This herb is making waves in the field of cardiology thanks to its impressive range of health benefits. Known for its antibacterial, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and pain-relieving properties, St. John's Wort is a true powerhouse. While it's commonly used as a dietary supplement, you can also enjoy its benefits by infusing it in hot water and sipping it as a refreshing beverage. But here's an important note of caution. If you're taking cholesterol medication, be careful not to consume excessive amounts of St. John's Wort tea. This herb has the potential to flush out any circulating medicines in your system, which can be dangerous. It's crucial to work with your doctor to calibrate the proper dosage that suits your needs. The next heart-friendly tea on our list is the Tea of the Mountains. Number 5. Greek Mountain Tea. Also known as shepherd's tea, this delightful brew is prepared by infusing the dried flowers, leaves, and stems of the sideritis plant. Native to the Mediterranean regions, this tea has been cherished for centuries for its heart-protective properties. Legend has it that even the great Greek philosopher Hippocrates himself indulged in this tea to reap its benefits. Greeks continue to enjoy this tea, especially during the winter months, to combat colds and flu because it's packed with antioxidants, polyphenols, flavonoids, and other immune-boosting compounds. However, as enticing as it may be, if you're trying to conceive or have already conceived, it's best to steer clear of Greek mountain tea for now. Safety first. Otherwise, sip, savor, and enjoy. Like what you've seen so far? For more interesting and informative health videos like this one, subscribe to our channel and tap on the notification bell. Done? Great. Let's talk about more refreshing teas. Number 4. Oolong tea. Originating from China, oolong tea is a traditional beverage made from partially oxidized leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. This unique fermentation process helps retain essential polyphenols, giving oolong tea its delightful aroma and taste. Oolong tea is also packed with antioxidants that benefit your heart health. Research, both in animals and humans, has shown that oolong tea can reduce stress on the heart and help normalize cholesterol levels. In fact, a study found that men who consumed 1 or more cups of oolong tea per day had a lower risk of heart disease. Oolong tea has also been associated with improvements in brain function, bone health, dental health, metabolism, and even a decreased risk of type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. Here's an interesting fact. Oolong tea gets its name from the Chinese term oolong, which means black dragon, aptly describing the dance-like unfurling of the tea leaves as they steep. So why not give oolong tea a try? Simply take a spoonful of tea leaves, add 150 milliliters of hot water, and watch as the leaves unfurl. Now, onto something a little different. This next one might gross you out a little bit. Number 3. Garlic tea. Garlic is a true storehouse of allium, a compound that has shown promising results in treating uncontrolled hypertension. Research studies have revealed that the active sulfur compounds in garlic can reduce systolic blood pressure by 10 mm mercury and diastolic blood pressure by 8 mm mercury. That's almost comparable to standard blood pressure medications. Garlic tea has also been associated with lowering cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure, as highlighted in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine. It also contains a compound that releases nitric oxide, which helps relax your heart muscles and arteries, ultimately leading to reduced blood pressure. Garlic tea may not be the most palatable option out there. However, if you're willing to brave the taste, you can reap its incredible benefits. To make a cup of garlic tea, finely chop 2 to 3 garlic cloves and add them to boiling water. Let it steep for a while, then strain the mixture. If you find the garlic taste overpowering, you can add a splash of lemon juice and a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor. Now, let's move on to a tea that's not only tasty, but known for its royal roots. Number 2. The ever-refreshing hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, made from vibrant red hibiscus flowers, has a rich history of being enjoyed by Egyptian royalty for its reputed heart benefits. Modern research has also found that regular consumption of hibiscus tea can lead to a reduction in blood pressure, particularly in individuals with stage 1 hypertension. Hibiscus tea is a treasure trove of antioxidants that offer a multitude of health benefits. Not only does it support heart health, but it also aids in weight loss, promotes liver function, and helps prevent blood infections. You can find dried hibiscus powder in specialty stores or online. Or if you're lucky enough to have hibiscus plants in your garden, pluck the fresh petals and steep them immediately for an equally heart-friendly cup of tea. We've reached the number 1 spot on our list: green tea. Green tea is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to therapeutic intervention, thanks to its remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects in the body. A meta-analysis has shown that regular consumption of green tea can have a long-term impact on reducing blood pressure. If you prefer a softer and more mellow flavor, you can try matcha green tea, but do keep in mind the caffeine content in these beverages. Consuming excessive amounts of caffeine can actually diminish the benefits of green tea, so moderation is key. Thank you for being so patient up to this point. It's greatly appreciated. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and enable alerts to avoid missing out on future videos from us and much more. Check out this video to learn more about how to care for your body, and we'll see you in the following video. Stay safe.